In this video, I will be showing you how to view hidden files in a Hostinger website. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We will need to enter the hosting account by clicking the Manage button under the Hosting section. Next, we need to click the Files tab on the left side of the screen. Then click the File Manager below, where all the website directories are stored. I have only one website in my hosting account. If you have more than one website in your hosting account, you will need to enter the specific website directory. Once we enter the website directory, we need to click the public HTML directory again. The hidden files are system files, and if they are edited or deleted accidentally, the site or its files may not display properly. That's why they are usually hidden. To view the hidden files, click the Settings tab on the left. In the pop-up window, uncheck the Hide .files option and update the changes. Now, when we click and open the public HTML directory again, we can see all the hidden files here. We can click to open these hidden files and edit them whenever needed to add specific codes. To hide the files again, click the Settings tab once more and recheck the Hide .files option. The important system files will be hidden again. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.